Welcome to the Business Finance Bulletin, episode 247. Welcome again to the latest Business Finance Bulletin with me, Rob Warlow from Business Loan Services, the commercial finance expert. In this bulletin, Robert Owen Community Bank joins the Enterprise Finance Guarantee Scheme. 3 challenger banks awarded £280 million to improve access to finance, and new drive to encourage small businesses to speak to banks ahead of Brexit. Great news to start this week's bulletin if you're a business based in Wales, with an announcement from the Robert Owen Community Bank that has now joined the British Business Bank's Enterprise Finance Guarantee Scheme. First of all, who is the Robert Owen Community Bank? Well, the bank was established in 2006 and is based in Newtown, which is the birth of social reformer Robert Owen. The bank is an ethical bank, looks to support local small businesses who find it troublesome in terms of getting finance from banks. Well, the bank has successfully now been able to join the British Business Bank's Enterprise Finance Guarantee Scheme. Now, this scheme, the EFG as it's better known, is designed to help banks lend money to businesses who've struggled to get finance simply because they don't have security available. So under the scheme, how it works is that the government provides a 75% guarantee of the loan balance outstanding to the bank, and that will help them turn a no into a yes. So if you're a business based in Wales, the Robert Owen Community Banks kind of loan terms go from a minimum loan of £1,000 up to a maximum of £50,000. So if you want to know more about that scheme and the Robert Owen Community Bank, just go along to their website, which is rocbf.co.uk, and there you'll find all information about accessing this scheme and also all the other loans that they do. Cast your mind back to the beginning of the credit crunch when the government bailed out the Royal Bank of Scotland, or RBS. Now, at the time, the government said, hey, RBS, if we're going to bail you out, you need to do your bit in terms of stimulating competition and access to finance for small businesses. So they had to create a pot of money totaling £775 million to be distributed to banks and lenders who wanted to improve access to finance and banking services. Well, the first tranche of that money, totaling £280 million, has now been distributed, and the winners are, well, first of all, Metro Bank have successfully bid for £120 million, Starling Bank, the mobile-only bank, has got £100 million, and Clearbank and Tide, another digital lender, has got £60 million. So what are they going to do with this money? Well, as I said, it's really designed to improve not only access to finance, but also access to services as well. So those 3 lenders will be adding new branches, creating pots of money to on-lend to businesses, and extending new digital and innovative services. So well done to those 3 lenders and banks who've been able to access that pot of money, and let's hope that really change access to finance and services for UK small businesses. To record this bulletin, we're getting ever closer to B-Day, being the 29th of March 2019, when the UK exits the EU. Now, obviously, there's a lot of talk about the impact this is going to have on UK businesses, and particularly when it comes to accessing finance. Businesses are already beginning to see that there's a strain on cash flow, and there's obviously a big concern that businesses won't be able to access the finance they need. Well, UK Finance, which is the umbrella organisation for all of the UK banks, has launched a Let's Talk Business campaign. The focus of the campaign is to highlight to small businesses, let's talk to your bank early. Banks are now putting money aside. They're making public commitments that they're going to support businesses through what may be a challenging time. So yeah, UK Finance is really wanting business owners to engage early with banks. Now, to support this Let's Talk Business campaign, they've launched an online guide which is full of tips, ideas, contact points and details of support programs. This guide is going to be updated on a regular basis. There's also going to be a number of road shows over the coming months, again all designed to help business owners link in with banks early to avoid any problems. So if you want to have a look at that online guide, just go to ukfinance.org.uk/let's-talk-business. Well, that's it for another bulletin. As ever, I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a like and a share. Look forward to being with you next time. In the meantime, have a great, successful and profitable week.